Good morning. Thank you for calling Imperial Dining. My name is Charmaine Basagre. How may I assist you today?
Hi, good morning. I'd like to make a dinner reservation.
I will be happy to assist you with your reservation. May I know your name, please?
Sure, my name is Luna Arya.
Okay, ma'am. Please allow me to spell your name. L for Lima, U for Uniform, N for November, A for Alpha, R for Romeo, I for India, A for Alpha. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes, that's right.
For which day and for what time, ma'am?
It's for Monday the 23 at 8:30 p.m.
For how many people, ma'am?
Two person.
May I know if the reservation is under your name?
Yes, please.
And the contact number where we can reach you, ma'am?
Sure, my contact number is 0945-827-8895.
Okay, let me confirm all the information I have. This is a reservation on Monday, December 23, for two-person at 8:30 p.m. and your contact number is 0945-827-8895. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes, that's right.
Is there anything else that I may assist you with?
That would be all. Thank you for assisting me.
It's my pleasure, ma'am. Thank you for choosing Imperial Dining. We're excited to welcome you. If you need assistance, please call us at 0954 402 26756. Have a good day, ma'am. Bye.